Foam rolling increases your range of motion without actually decreasing muscle stiffness. Here is the physiological paradox explained. The popular belief is that you are physically breaking up fascia or adhesions. However, to physically deform the iliotibial band by just 1% requires mechanical forces far beyond what a foam roller can generate. Since you cannot apply industrial compression to your legs, we must look at the data. Wievelhove's 2019 meta-analysis reviewed 21 separate studies to isolate the actual effects on athletic performance. The results on recovery speed were disappointing. The analysis found negligible effects on sprint performance and jump height recovery. Rolling did not repair muscle damage faster than passive rest. However, there was a statistically significant outlier: range of motion. Subjects consistently showed improved flexibility immediately post-rolling. But here is the catch: muscle stiffness measurements remained unchanged. This contradiction debunks the physical plasticity model. If the tissue didn't get mechanically longer, but you can move further, the mechanism must be neurological. We call this stretch tolerance. It operates via the gate control theory. The pressure from the roller creates a non-painful sensory input that overrides pain signals in the spinal cord, temporarily dulling your nervous system's brake on movement. This is further proven by the global effect. Studies show that rolling your right calf can actually improve range of motion in your left calf. This is a central nervous system response, not local tissue repair. Think of foam rolling as a neurological hack rather than a mechanical fix. It is an analgesic that alters your perception of tightness, allowing you to access a range of motion you already possessed but were guarding against. Therefore, the most effective time to roll is during warm-ups to temporarily down-regulate muscle tension or immediately post-run to reduce subjective soreness perception. Stop trying to smash your IT band into submission. You aren't changing its structure. Use the roller to communicate with your nervous system, unlock temporary mobility, and run with better mechanics. Roll for temporary mobility, not for tissue repair.